Hello people, so this is my fourth video of the day and people, I just now applied some kind of lipstick which I really don't know what this brand is. I mean, it has 123 written over here, and honestly that was one of the main reasons I picked this up because basically I believe a lot in angel numbers, and they say numbers that repeat are angel numbers, and for me even 123, it means get going, you might as well take it. And I must say people, I have like overly sensitive skin, so when I use these, this is a, don't even ask me how much it is, because it is like no, I have in the the color bar lipstick that I bought was worth 950, which is a quite a decent amount. I mean, indecent amount in fact. But this is like, this works much better than even that 950 product. This is again a multiple of 9 only. I mean, in terms of, it is 45 bucks, and it does such a good job. I mean, it really looks nice. So I'm going to start applying it religiously, like at least in the morning. Apply this is a tip for anyone with sensitive skin, especially like while applying lipstick, you can apply it on your upper lip and then just press your lips together and it's on your lower lip again. I know, a very intellectual tip, but but for so many of my female viewers out there, this I think is good. So on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.